This one does not have an internal speaker. This one only has the microphone, the audio circuit, and an external, an AV out, and but it also has the laser on the back. It has the removable temperature with the sensor. It has the IDC indicator circuit. "12-volt battery pack on the bottom, and a selection switch to choose between battery and 12-volt jack. Picture of the back with the laser. And that is this one, this pair view. This is a simpler version of another one that I'm working on. Alright, thank you for watching.